So in this subject, what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about this earnings calculator premium version. Okay. Now, please pay very close attention to this, as this is going to become your a long-term passive income in 2020. Okay. So how many sales can you make in a year? Now, you are in my Builder All team, right?
Right.
You know that I'm a big leader, I'm a coach, I'm a speaker, I'm an author, and there's a lot, right, under my belt. Now, my instructions to you are very simple. I need you to only focus in bringing 10 sales in Builder All this year.
Okay. Oh, they have a reply already for the using.
So I repeat, my instructions to you are you just have to focus on bringing 10 sales in Buildroll in the whole year. How many sales?
10.
Just 10 sales in the whole year 2020 in this case, right? So
What if you can make more than 10?
no, you just have to make 10. Why? I'm going to explain why, okay? So let's say when you make your 10 sales, how many sales can you make in a year? So let's say you just have to make 10 sales, okay? 10 sales in the whole year, right? How many sales can your affiliate bring in a year, right? And then you have to focus on helping each of those affiliates make 10 sales. So each of these 10 sales you make, we are going to focus in helping them become an affiliate by doing sales. Make sense? I'm going to do that for you, okay? I'm going to train
Okay.
them to build landing pages, to do email marketing, to do CPA marketing. How many sales can each affiliate make in a year? So once you make 10 sales in the whole year, right? Your passive income would be 20.97. That would be $209 a month, right? Now, when all of these become affiliates, okay, in a year, so how many sales can each affiliate make in a year, right? So
Yeah.
let's say uh, you're going to help them make 10 sales in the whole year, and I am also going to help your team to make 10 sales under their belt in the whole year, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So when these 10 people make 10 sales in the whole year, right? So when you ask this, why cannot we make more than 10 sales? Because I want you to make 10 sales and help each of those 10 people make 10 sales, okay,
Uh-huh.
right? So when you just make 10 sales, okay, and help each of those 10 people make 10 sales under them, so how many sales can each affiliate make in a year? So
2000.
when these 10 people make 10 sales under their belt, okay, your
Mm-hmm.
estimated recurring income after 1 year building your business would be $2,300 a month. This is recurring income. Do you think this is good to make your life better? Do you think this is good to make your life better?
Yeah, yeah.
Right? So now you understand why I am only focusing in you making 10 sales, because
Yes.
you don't we have to make sure that we build a passive recurring income. Because if you keep making direct sales, you will lose your focus on helping your team make sales. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Right? So but if you help each of these 10 people make 10 sales under them, do you think they're going to cancel their Builderall account?
No.
And boom, you will be making $2,300 a month. So to make things simple rather than going so hard, let's just go in a let's talk in a more simple manner. Now this is the long-term goal that I've guided you, right? So let's say you just have to make one sale this month, okay, one sale of Builderall in this whole month, and
Oh,
then help that person make two sales, okay. So let me show you how your recurring income is going to rise. you may just have to make one sale this month. How many sale?
One.
Only one sale this month under you, and then help that person make two sales this month. Okay, so as soon as
Mhm.
he makes two sales, your recurring income will be $62 a month. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Now once he makes two sales, help him make maybe three sales a month. So your recurring income would be $83, right? Now you
Right.
can share his results on your Facebook that your team member is making money, right? Your
Mhm.
team member has made maybe for three sales he has made like $120. And then when you share his results, you will get more direct sales, right? Then you just have to make a second sale the next month, only one sale next month, and then help that person make three sales in that month. Okay, your recurring income will rise to $293 a month. Make sense? And Builderall would be free for you. How does that sound? How does that sound? Are you following? So we are just playing the number game. Do you see that? Okay. So you see this? This is you. Are you following? Are you still there? So
Yes.
you see this is you, right? And
Yep.
you just created two leaders. That's it. And help
Mm.
them make two sales each. That's it.
Mhm.
And your income rises to $293. Please understand, Isidro, you don't need the whole world to become rich. You just need the right person and help that
Yeah.
person to become a leader. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
what exactly I'm doing with you? I am making you a leader. I'm working hard on you, working so hard on you just to make you a leader. Because if I create a leader, right, I don't have to create executives, right? It's better
Mhm.
to have 10 leaders under my belt as compared to having 100 executives, right?
Right.
So this is the goal that you have to put on a paper and stick it in your room somewhere, that you have to make one sale this month in Builderall. How many sales?
One.
One sale. So just focus on making one sale in Builderall and help that person make two sales. That's pretty much it. And this is how you're going to make continued income. And this is where we finish the subject.